performer has become a staple in the world of magic, known for his unique blend of comedy and illusion. He's dazzled audiences on stages around the world and is a fan favorite of our show. Please welcome the incredible Murray SawChuck.
You know what? I know a lot of you think a lot of my tricks are either rigged or gimmicked. And you know what? You're right. So, I want to borrow something from you guys. You know it's not rigged or gimmicked in any way. So I want to borrow somebody's cell phone. Everyone got a cell phone at all? You got one? Yes? Can I borrow it? Would you mind coming up with me? Big hands, lovely lady, everybody. Let me help you up. Good. Take your time. What's your name?
Brianna.
Brianna. How you doing, Brianna? Let me see your phone. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Very fancy. I like that, huh? As glittery as my hair. Look at that. So, Brianna, I'd normally ask you how much you paid for your phone, but I don't want people to think things are set up, because nothing is set up here. So we're going to try to find a random number of how much you paid for your phone, okay? Before I go any further, though, Danny, my assistant, has a very special present for you. That's a box you can hang on to there, Brianna. There you go. It's quite heavy, though, so you probably want to just put it on top of the stool there for a second. Give it a spin so the front's facing the lock. Very good. That's yours for now. That's collateral. Since I got your phone, you can have a box. There you go. So I'm going to leave that right there. Now, question, we're going to try to find what price your phone is. So randomly, I got 52 cards in the deck, all right? We're going to cut down anywhere you want. Between 2 and 3 times, I'll cut the deck, all right? Wherever I cut into, the next 5 cards are going to be the price of your phone. Because obviously it's over $100, right? So the first 3 digits will be the price, and the last 2 digits will be the cents, the change, all right? Fair enough? How many times, first of all, have a look at the cards. You can see they're all different, right? The corners are cut off because they're from a casino back in Las Vegas where I work at, and that's why you can't go back in the casino and use those, all right? So how many times do you want to cut the deck? 2 or 3 times? What do you want?
3.
3. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times like that. Top card. That's going to be the first number of your price. What is that? 8? 8. I'll put that right there. Here we go. Next one is going to be a 3, just like that. Just so you know, guys, this is tape. It's not magic. No. I'll let you know when it's magic and when it's tape, okay? So, third card is a 9. That's going to be right there. So, $839. How do you feel about that?
Yeah.
Not bad? Perfect. And then we have a 2. It's going to be there. And, of course, then a 4. So, $839.24. You feel all right with that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Perfect. That's the price of your phone, all right? One thing I've learned, though, I love DIY stuff. Phones are always getting dirty, right? There's a really cool way to actually keep your phone clean, all right? You have to get a baseball cap. So when I'm in public all the time, I'm always wearing a hat. You never see me, I mean, my hair is ridiculous, so I'm always trying to hide it. But we usually, normal baseball cap. What you do is a regular hat that's cotton, you take your phone, place it inside the hat like this, and it actually cleans it. So you flip it over like this, give it a rub like this, is the best part. Da-da-da-da, boom, just like that. Kidding. It's a new trick. First time doing this. Here you go. It's a little hard to unlock, but you won't break the screen. Right. Also, price tag fell on the ground as well, if you noticed. Right here. And how much do we say your phone's worth again? $839.24. It's exactly the price of rock. $839.24. That's all I got. Actually, I got a present for you, though. Here, just for you. Bam, look at that. 8, 10, and 10. Look at that, see? That was the internet of the 80s. No batteries, lasts forever. You look very impressed.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad you're so kind to me still. I gave this to you as a present, didn't I?
Yes.
Okay, so I got an idea. I need you to open this for me, okay? Now, you've had the whole time in your possession, right? Since we started, right? When we got your phone. Let me get rid of this stuff for you, all right? And I'll take this away. You can keep the price tag, a little souvenir, right? Yeah, I got a budget. Open up the box. Go for it. There's a little thing in the front. Just give it a twist. That's right. And we'll, yeah, is it more of a twist? Yep. Open it up. Pull it forward there. There you go. Yeah. Look at that. Oh! Another box. Here. Do me a favor. I'll take that out. Close that up for me. And then just give it a little twist to lock it. And then Danny will grab that from you. She's right behind you there. Thank you. Thank you. There we are. Here we go. All right. Way you go.
Okay.
I got 17 of these.
Oh, my God.
Oh! Another box. Look at that. See? Look at that. You can do that up. Give that a close. Big hand for Brianna. She's doing a great job, everybody. Now, Brianna, you've never helped a magician in your life before, right?
Yeah.
Big night. I'm excited. Here we go, Brianna. One more time. Here we go. Oh, another box. I wasn't kidding. You can close that up, give it a quick close. Daniel, take that from there. Look, these boxes, if you hear, you can actually hear something shaking inside the box. Do you hear it?
I hear it.
Don't hear, just listen. I know this is a handle. You can't really hear. Just here, just open the thing up. It's better. Just open it up.
Oh.
There, your phone? Yeah. Big hand for Brianna, everybody. Young lady, thanks for being here. I'll help you back down the stairs. And that's how you keep your phone clean, everybody. Good night.